This is another video in my series on alternating current. In this video, I want to make you aware of a huge sale that 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂𝐋𝐀 is having from July 16th to July 17th, which they call their Prime Day Big Deals. You can check out these sale items immediately at this web address. This video is part of my electrical technical information series. Be sure and stay tuned, as I will also from time to time be reviewing electrical products that in my opinion are worthy of paying attention to. This address will give you access to the supplier of aforementioned products, and it is also the connection to obtain a free copy of my 50-page electrical power crib sheets. One of those amazing and versatile products is the 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂𝐋𝐀 Delta Pro Ultra, which can be modified to suit any homeowner's needs, operating virtually silent, and when paired with the 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂 Smart Home Panel 2 is extremely versatile. The 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂 Home Panel 2 ties any and all of your standby power equipment together and will control them efficiently. It will even control your connection to the utility grid to make sure you're only using the least expensive power, switching to your standby power during those expensive time of use rates. In order to view the full range of 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂 products, check into this website to browse the full extent of their products. There is no cost or commitment for viewing.